Armed men kidnap Gomwe's mom over citizens military petition. Sanapera mashoko atona kuti aiwa amai vaGomwe panguva ino vokidnapiwa nema-armed men over now iri kuchiridza yepetition inosubmitiwa nema-citizens to the military over mutungamiri wenyika immediate retirement or subscribe or like on the bell icon. More than 8 armed men were Friday dispatched in a targeted operation to track down 4 Zimbabweans behind a petition recently submitted to the military demanding President mnangagwa's immediate retirement. The dramatic move follows the submission earlier this week of a formal petition to the Zimbabwean Defense Forces calling for mnangagwa's removal on grounds of incapacitation and corruption. The document, stamped and acknowledged by military officials, has reportedly unsettled the president and triggered high-level security responses. ZVAITWA understood that Gomwe's mother was abducted Friday evening at around 8 p.m. from a home in Budiriro, Harare, and transported to her son's rural homestead in Jimba. The operation is part of an ongoing manhunt for Gifford Gomwe, one of the petition's main authors, alongside Tawanda Jena, Rose Chirenje, and Sarudzai Rushwaya. The president, who has not publicly commented on the matter, is accused of instructing the armed men. His spokesperson George Aramba appeared to weigh in cryptically via social media, directing a jab at ZVAITWA editor and the Good Mafia documentary researching founder Simba Chikanza, tweeting, "Hauneti here na Simba, when do you get tired?" President Mnangagwa operates a zero tolerance to dissent voices policy, with which he states that anyone opposing the extension of his presidential term will have their days on earth reduced as a consequence. On their way from Harare to Jimba, the unnamed men decided to dump Gomwe's 72-year-old mother, Edna Musarurwa. Military insiders say the petition is being treated internally as a quasi-legal instruction, a lawsuit against Mnangagwa, and has generated significant support among mid and lower-ranking officers. The president is reportedly furious that ZDF officials received the document without rejecting it. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, mamiro akaita nhau aiwa yepetition yekuretea mutungamiri wenyika nekuabductiwa kwaitwa amai vaGomwe. Pana comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.